Number 2.3 sum number 2. Find the domain and range of the following real functions. First one, f of x is equal to minus modulus of x. Solution. First one, f of x equal to minus modulus of x. So actually modulus of x is equal to minus x if x less than 0 plus x if x greater than or equal to 0. Now this function is defined for all real values. Here f of x is defined for all real values. Therefore, domain of the function is equal to set of real values R. Next, the range. When x less than 0, then f of x is equal to minus modulus of x. This is equal to minus, when x less than 0, f of modulus of x is equal to minus x. So minus x, this is equal to x. Actually x less than 0, so this is less than 0. Next, when x equal to 0, then f of x equal to minus modulus of x. When x is equal to 0, f of x is equal to x. This is equal to minus x equal to 0. X equal to 0. Next one, when x greater than 0, x is positive, then f of x equal to minus modulus of x. This is equal to minus of x greater than 0 means f of x is equal to x. This is equal to minus x. Here x greater than 0, so minus x less than 0. Therefore, the value of f of x is less than 0 and equal to 0. So range, therefore f of x less than or equal to 0 for all x belongs to R. Therefore range is equal to minus infinity comma 0. Less than 0 means up to then minus infinity. Second subdivision, f of x is equal to square root of 9 minus x square. The square root of the negative value, the function is not defined. So this function is defined only for f of x is defined only for the values in the terms inside the square root is greater than or equal to 0. 9 minus x square greater than or equal to 0, which implies 9 is greater than or equal to x square. So x square less than or equal to 9. Therefore, if a square less than or equal to, if x square less than or equal to a means minus a less than x less than a or less than or equal to. It's a rule. So here minus 3 less than or equal to a square. This is equal to 3 square, which implies x square less than or equal to 3 square. Therefore minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. Therefore the domain of the function closed interval minus 3 comma 3. Next, to find the range, range of the functions. When x is equal to minus 3, smallest value, f of x is equal to root of 9 minus of minus 3 square. This is equal to 0. When biggest value, x is equal to 3 is the biggest value, then f of x is equal to square root of 9 minus 3 square. This is equal to 9 minus 9, 0. The middle value, when x is equal to 0, f of x is equal to square root of 9 minus 0 square equal to 3. So here biggest value of f of x is equal to 3 and the smallest value of f of x equal to 0. So range of the function is equal to 0 to 3, closed interval 0 comma 3 be the range of the given function. Now the third problem. A function f is defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 5. Write down the values of first one f of 0, second one f of 7, third one f of minus 3. Just replace the x by 0, 7 and minus 3 in the function f of x, you are getting the answer. Solution. First f of x is equal to 2x minus 5. First problem, f of 0 means 2 into 0 minus 5. This is equal to minus 5. Second one, f of 7 is equal to 2 into 7 minus 5 is equal to 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. Third one, f of minus 3 equal to 2 into minus 3 minus 5. This is equal to minus 6 minus 5 is equal to minus 11. Now the fourth problem, the function t which maps temperatures in degree Celsius into temperature in degree Fahrenheit is defined by f t of c is equal to 9c by 5 plus 32. First one t of 0, second one t of 22, third t of minus 10, then fourth one the value of c when t of c is equal to 212. Here we find the value of c, here find the value of the given conditions. Solution. First t of c is equal to 9c by 5 plus 32. So first problem, t of 0 equal to 9 into 0 by 5 plus 32. This is equal to 32. Then the second one, t of 28, this is equal to 9 into 28 by 5 plus 32. Then multiply this to 252 plus 5 into 32, 160 divided by 5. This is equal to 412 divided by 5. Then third one, t of minus 10 is equal to 9 into minus 10 divided by 5 plus 32. Cancel these two terms, minus 2. So minus 18 plus 32. This is equal to 14. Then fourth one, the value of c. Here t of c is given. T of c is equal to 212. What is t of c? 9c divided this is given 9c by 5 plus 32. 5 plus 32. This is equal to 212, which implies 9c by 5 is equal to 212 minus 32 is equal to 180, which implies c is equal to 180 into 5 divided by 9. Cancel 20. This is equal to 100. So c is equal to 100. Now the question number 5. Find the range of each of the following functions. First function f of x is equal to 2 minus 3x. Here defined for all real values. Second one f of x square plus 2 and real for x is a real value. F of x, third one f of x is equal to x is identity functions. Solution. First problem, f of x equal to 2 minus 3x. Here x belongs to R and x positive. So the domain is only positive real values. Now the maximum value, the maximum, when get the maximum value? If here the negative terms it will be 0, becomes to 0, we are getting the maximum. So maximum value is 2. When we are getting the maximum value, if we put the x is equal to 0, the negative term will be 0, then the positive term only remain. So that is the maximum value. So maximum value of f of x is obtained when x is equal to 0. Since put x is equal to 0, f of 0 is equal to 2 minus 3 into 0 is equal to 2. That is the maximum value. Next one, minimum value. When we are getting the minimum value, if you put the highest value, that is putting negative highest value of the x, that is become a negative number. Okay. So here 2 minus negative, this negative part is very high, is not defined. So the minimum value, therefore the minimum value of f of x is, minimum value of possible value of f of x is minus infinity. Therefore range means the maximum value, minimum value to highest value. What is the minimum value? Minus infinity. When you are putting minus infinity or plus infinity, only use the parenthesis, should not use the square bracket, because we cannot depend this value. Next, the maximum value 2 is an 2 can depend value. Here square bracket. So open closed. Then second problem, f of x is equal to x square plus 2. X is a, x belongs to R, x is a real value, so x belongs to R. Here minimum value of f of x is obtained when x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, that is f of 0 is equal to 2. This is the minimum value. And maximum value of f of x is plus infinity. So no negative term. If you are putting one negative number, minus that, when the square of the negative number is positive. So the range only the positive value, and minimum value of the range is 2, maximum value of the range is 8, infinity. So the required range is equal to 2 comma infinity. Then third one, f of x is equal to x is the identity functions. In identity functions, domain and range are same. Here range is equal to the same real number. Here x belongs to R, so range also R. Domain and in identity functions, range and domain are same. That's all. So you are complete the exercise problem only your classwork note, and you well prepare for coming periodic test 1 for all the subject. Then you already I gave 9 assignments. That answers also uploaded in my Google Classroom. So you verify your answers, and one more important things, you should take the photocopy of your assignments and upload in my Google Classroom. I will check and return all the assignments within this week, Sunday, on Sunday. So you should complete all the assignments, take the photocopy and convert to the PDF file, then upload to my Google Classroom. The exam also you can do the same way. Okay.